Hello students. First we see the definition of radical extension. Radical extension definition. An extension U of a field F is an extension by radical if there are elements alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha r belongs to E extension and positive integers n1 n2 to nr such that E equal to f of alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha n comma alpha I alpha n raised to n belongs to f and all alpha s raised to ni belongs to f of alpha 1 to alpha I minus 1 I from 1 to r. Next definition: a polynomial f of x belongs to f of x over a field f is said to be solvable by radical if its splitting field E is contained in some radical extension of f. Definition of splitting field. Solvable radical. Definition of solvable radical. Now we see the theorem 3.2 that f of x belongs to f of x. Polynomial f of x belongs to polynomial f of x is solvable by radical if and only if its splitting field E over f has solvable Galois group G of is E by f. Let's see proof. Suppose that G of E by f is solvable because characteristics of f equal to 0. This is given to us. This is a solvable, that's why characteristics of f equal to 0, comma E is normal separable extension. So is EF equal to mod of G of E by f, cardinality of G of E by f equal to n. Assume that F contains a primitive nth root of unity. Then F contains primitive mth root of unity for all positive integers m that divided by. Let G equal to G of E by f because G is a solvable. We are given the G is solvable and finite, solvable and finite. There is a chain G equal to G naught is greater. G naught is superset of G1 is superset of superset of GR equal to E of subgroups of G such that GI then E of GI equal to Fi and G of E slash Fi equal to GI. Also by fundamental theorem we get G1 equal to G of E by F1 normal with G of E by F equal to G implies that F1 is a normal extension of F. Now E can be regarded as the splitting field of f of x. E is a splitting field of f of x over f1. So E is a finite normal extension of f1. E is finite normal extension of f1. Then G2 normal with G1 implies that f2 is a normal extension of f1. This is given. Continue in this way to show that Fi is a normal extension of Fi minus. Furthermore, G of Fi upon Fi minus 1 equal to G of E by Fi minus 1 divided by G of E by Fi implies equal to G of I minus 1 upon Gi by fundamental theorem. So Fi is a cyclic extension of Fi minus 1. Then Fi is a splitting field of F, an irreducible polynomial x raised to ni minus bi belongs to polynomial Fi minus 1 x, and Fi equal to Fi minus 1 alpha I. Then we give E equal to f of alpha 1 to alpha r. Alpha 1 raised to ni, n1 belongs to f, and alpha I raised to ni belongs to Fi minus 1 equal to f of alpha 1 to alpha I minus 1 for 1 is less than r less equal r. Thus f of x is solvable by radical over f.